Hello, my people. This story will carry comment. Now, see the hot now the carry come. One lady inside Ghana don't come outside. They claim say the president of Ghana na her sugar daddy. Or na they see person they talk with pride. And this lady they talk and say as it be not be say na she they force herself on our president. Say na the president na just carry her matter for head and person wey they talk this one her name na Serwaa Broni. She claim say this man no just want leave how. I don't know if na the big packaging where this girl carry for front now make this man no want leave her. But this girl they claim now say as it big she want flaunt her man, but the man no they agree her flaunt her. My people, we cannot follow me watch.
That my record. That was the first time I started recording your conversation, and you were foolishly apologizing. Why would you put my life in danger? And what if I was what if I travel with my kids? What if I had made eye contact with this national security boys and claim armed robbers, and someone shot me? What would have been the story? Akufo Addo, you are a criminal. You staged my robbery. Akufo Addo, you are a criminal. You staged my robbery. So come and sue me in Canada. He kept calling. Most of the time, I'm in girlfriend, and the girlfriend would be like, I don't know, Papa, we're afraid for too much. They are not afraid, like, no. So I was like, okay, you know what? I will make time to meet you. This will be the first, well, after Obey president, this will be the first time I'm in Ghana. So I made changes to my flight. Me and I make a ticket to Ghana. You don't know what they call Ghana. And then he found out on my birthday when he called to wish me that I'm in Ghana and he wants to meet me. Let me say he was hitting on me, point blank. So to make matters whatever, I'm a big girl. It's not a big deal. But men, I don't entertain men. And so when somebody approaches me, I tell you straight up, this is who I am. This is what I do. If you want to be a friend, you want to be a brother, you want to be an uncle, you want to be whatever, that's fine. If not, too bad. So since this was the second and third approach, he decided we can be friends. Once in a while, he will send a message or my phone number. I had his phone number. We'll chat. The man will call. Oh, maybe the other way prior to this, I'm always at work, so I'll miss his calls. He'll leave voice messages. Hi, Evelyn. I mean, whatever. Oh, Krubi, so I'm so and so at this place checking up on you.
But this lady, me I feel say she just won't carry this man down for come. Because since on her two don't they date, why be saying now you can't decide say you want to talk about the president? And I hear say she post two of them pictures that they chill, now the president call her. Say auntie, take down that picture. So other people say we know these people. They say me she take and I beg wait on they hide. All of us don't know say you get side chick. And I dey very certain say no be only this girl. But why be saying now this lady won't come call you out? Or now sure say something over they happen. Or now sure say politicians never pay this girl. Make she come as I can't destroy this man. Make him spoil the man home or be get something where be say she won't do. But anyway, auntie, me I go just hope say you keep this matter on the loop. Because this one I hope president. All of us know say all of them now so they carry woman up and down. If you just follow the man talk and one-on-one because he talks say the way they call you out, like now you post the picture. If you no post and talk say you be the man sugar, nobody go come as I come they accuse you. Anyways, my people, now this matter now here. Now make a bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This matter will carry comment now ogbonge matter. I hear say EFCC don't carry our former minister items, put them online, say they won't auction them. And I know say formally this woman she don't thief so many things before she run come out from Niger. Now the things where they don't carry over 20 houses and other things now they carry. Now they can't realize okay, may they cuckoo use and get money now there they can auction all these kind of items. But what it shock me pass for the whole matter, now this woman bra, they can't carry the bra come aside. Say they won't sell the bra, say I can't they want, which kind of bra be this one? When be say EFCC no go see anything again, now bra they won't carry come out. Now people, now they are see this bra made of diamond. Oh now they see where this woman don't thief rich. She know say nobody go check her breast. Because even if your breast was made of gold, you know go even feel wear that kind of amount of bra. Last 10,000 naira bra, you don't do. But this woman spent $12.5 million on how much that money be for naira. With the talk of one bra, 5 billion naira. Now they talk. For 9 person they wear put for breast. Say she they carry and go wear. Because this one self now old cargo. So I don't know what they wear this bra for. Hey? Or now they say this our politicians say now pure thief now they be. Not forgetting say this woman, she come outside, come insult hushpuppi. The time when they catch hushpuppi saying it, now so this woman carry this matter for head. In fact, use time insult all the old youth. So we be thief now, yahoo we dey do. I beg who come be the thief now? I'm not saying most of them say, okay, maybe I just want add pepper to this woman. So, no be him. She talk am with her own mouth. For those of them who never watch the video, they can follow me watch.
The ones that have swag, the Yahoo boys, as my son would say. These, in short, are the role models that they are looking at. These are the ones who reinforce negative societal behaviors and values. This is a travesty of an unfolding tragedy for us. Why have I spent the time talking about fatherless homes and the impact that it has on our children? Well, the truth of the matter is that an irresponsible boy tends to become an irresponsible man. And it is therefore a vicious cycle.
Una don't see, by their eyes we shall know them. You see how she dey shine her eye they talk, you go know say na thief person. Now they always open eye they talk. And what if vex me pass na the worthless things where this woman go by. He said that money she use and even carry go give one community. So when they use and feed one whole state, I sure say those states will even get change out of that money. But she decides say na nonsense, bra where be say person go wear for breast. Where be say nobody go even see the breast. Only if that one if your husband they even look the breast. Because I sure say by now him go they follow young people. Now you can't they waste our money on top. Una they see all these people. Now I begin suspect. Una remember when Abacha wife self come aside. Come talk say even if they collect all her money and everything, she no go even dey as broke as Dangote. I beg wetin that one mean? It means say all the money wey be say she and her husband don't chop. It means say the whole money say if you even kill Nigeria, these people don't chop so they don't destroy the country. But I beg Anita, who won't buy this bra? Bra gigon. Because me I dey any Nigerian person wey go come outside say won't go buy this bra. Ghana trap. They go carry you self joy because why you foresee that kind of money say you won't go buy that kind of bra? We know they even talk of the golds where they put on top of this bra. Only the bra as a whole. Now they worth this kind of amount of money. Nigeria, make na they pity us, our politicians. If na want thief, make na they pity us. Bunch of thieves. And I go come today and I don't buy private jet, buy this one. But we no go know say na our money, na they use. Now why even UK Prime Minister use Nigeria do example? Don't say if say their own people don't thief the way they don't the country for them even die. And not true. We will be said that they even thief the country still they and they see they thief, they join. I beg una want dry the blood of Nigeria. And I want kill the country finish. But make we look at this woman, the way they use they draw in they can enter Nigeria. Now that same energy on I suppose use draw her back. Because now no go just leave her there and not be only she. So many other politicians said make now use and draw all of them, make them come face the penalty. Because Nigerians no go dey, they suffer say no money, but our politicians go sit down on top of the money. Buhari say they amok. They go sit down on top of the money, they chop and nyafu. Forgetting say na people taxes and people money and they use. So I beg EFCC as na they do na work, make na do and go this side. Find all these people, make them come out and make them come pay with it they don't cost so. My people now here I go end them on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story. Inside Ghana, now this one they come from again. Okay, I hear say their recruitment agency for there they don't begin start for people who want join immigration. But I be like say this year, the thing carry agbada wear for head, tie gele. If una see requirements, they talk say anybody will get stretch mark. Now that one they surprise me pass. You get tattoo, you get stretch mark, auntie, uncle, you are not required. In fact, they no go accept you to join immigration service. Make no be like saying me they add pepper for this matter. Make na follow me watch.
There should be no piercing for males. Yes, that one will automatically disqualifies you because it's part of the standard that was set. For females, there should be one piercing. If it's more than one, will be disqualified. With tattoo, visibly will disqualify you, both male and female. Because it's part of the standard. You know, uniform has our own language. And there are basic standards that we set. No tattoos, no double piercing or excessive, no excessive stretch marks, then scars, surgical scars.
Today, the process is moving faster and the numbers are going down.
Hey, Ghana people no go continue to surprise me. I beg since when they add this one into the whole law. What it concern stretch mark? I say stretch mark na natural something. Nobody will be say people don't go use bleaching cream. Not that one me they talk about. The one where God gives some people. I just say na normal thing. Why be say now on account they discriminate this one? They add them to criteria. Say on no want tattoo, on no way on piercing. In which US Army self will be say they work, they go work, that they get piercing, they get tattoo. Talk less of Ghana will be say on go sit down, na only bribe na day for there they collect. And I won't go add unnecessary criteria again, they give them this. I beg on I won't kill them. On I just want make Nigeria as make Ghana just hard for no reason. On I just want stress them these people. Because to me, if one really look at requirement, Oga, you, this man where they talk, we suppose even call yourself out. Because your English, if you keep person. As you they speak, the head it don't begin worrying me. So I can't they wonder, you will be say your English no pass primary 2. How manage you can't they reach this stage? We suppose even see carry yourself commerce and I just qualify you. And I don't forget say sometimes say some people know they physically fit. But what did they get for head? It dey okay. But at least we know say this kind side. Some people they will be say they use machine. Some people know they even go training. So I don't see why now no they stress all these people say stretch mark tattoo. The one we can't even was past na scar. I beg if person get scar, now the person do it by himself. What if the person get accident? Now not even reason up those side. So okay, all these kind of things, if it be natural something, if it be something will be saying by accident. On our own, I'm making a just come up people by force, by fire. And wait, I need to ask one question. How the one will tell you say person get stretch mark for body? If not be say they want strip, wait, I don't they suspect. Or na sure son and they do pressing of things inside that place. If not be say na pornography, I na go naked person because mostly make we no lie. Stretch mark na for nyashi day. Now for secret pass na dey. So how na want they know all this kind of thing? Or na don't they make me the suspect now with all this na motive. But anyway, since now on a requirement, people want join. Now on go through all this stress. Now on go they follow her now until they wash out the stretch mark and things come off on her body. But thank God say this one they don't do creams and things so we say go wipe and come out. So I go advise before you apply next year, start to go they do the thing now. Before that time go because now no na people. Next year now they fit come with new law. Say if you too yellow, you know go enter this place. So make na just they prepare on our mind that on our know as they be. Anyways, my people now here I go end them on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story.